Welcome to a Google Classroom tutorial. Today you'll be learning how to join a classroom, how to view an assignment for more details, and how to turn in an assignment. Stay tuned. I'm going to walk you through the setup process and give you a tour showing you how to use Google Classroom. To begin, click on the plus sign and choose Join Class. Use the classroom code given to you by your teacher. Click Join. This will open in another window showing you the class that you've just joined. All right, once you've joined your classroom using the code that was provided, you'll notice that your classrooms will be set up in individual icons. So for instance, for the purpose of this tutorial, you'll see that we have a demo ELA class. We'll go ahead and click on our demo ELA class to get some more information about the assignments that have been assigned. As you can see on the left, you'll see your upcoming assignments. Right now it shows due tomorrow. What is your favorite thing? If you want to see the entire assignment, you can just click on it. What is your favorite thing about 5th grade so far? You'll see that it's due tomorrow and that it's been assigned. In order to know more about that assignment, you would need to click on it down here. And this will open up in another window, which allows you to see the due date, when it was assigned, how many points it's worth, and also how to begin your assignment. You'll see on the right side where it says your work and that's been assigned. You will need to add or create a file to complete this assignment. I know this is a question that's being asked, so I know that I will need to use Google Docs to answer this question. If you click on the add or create, you'll scroll down to Docs. This will then begin creating a Google Doc file for you to answer the question. Once the Google Doc file has been created, you will just go ahead and double click on it and it will open up the Google Doc file. What's nice about this is that it still allows you to see the writing prompt. It also includes your name. So you will write down or type down at the bottom the thing I like so far about 5th grade is, and you would type the 3 sentences that was asked of you. Once that's completed, you will need to click Turn in order for your teacher to get the file. Once you click Turn in, you'll see that you have options to talk with your teacher, to provide a private comment that only you and her can see. And also, it's asking you to confirm. Do you want to turn in your work? There's one attachment that will be submitted for the assignment. What is your favorite thing about 5th grade so far? You will need to click Turn in. At that point, it takes you back to the detail of your assignment where it showed you the due date and how many points it was worth. And you'll see instead of saying it's assigned to you, that it's actually been turned in. If you want to unsubmit, maybe you forgot something or you wanted to add something to your assignment, you would click Unsubmit in order to be able to view it and make changes. Once you do that, you'll see that your assignment is right back where it was, and you can click it to open it up to make changes. However, once you make the changes, you will need to make sure that you turn it in.